Hey, what's up, people? It's Soido here, and I hope all of you are keeping safe in this unprecedented time. Now, I know everyone is in lockdown. I know there has been a little bit of flexibility. You can go out and you can meet 6 people from different families and so forth, your friends. But look, listen, today I want to share something that's going to really help you. If you are thinking of starting a business, if you want to raise some money and you haven't got any money to start a business or an online business, forget all this. I'm going to teach you something over my shoulder, step by step, how you can start your very own business today without any investment, without any products, without having to fork out a lot of money. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. Even on your smartphone you can do this. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making money using Amazon and eBay without having any products, without any spending any money on postage, on the packaging or delivery, anything like that. Nothing at all on products. You don't need to store it, nothing at all. So what I've done before the video, I've found a product that is selling on Amazon for $6.99 and on eBay is selling on $12.99. Now I'm not going to show you exactly step by step how to list it and all this stuff, but the idea is you go onto Amazon. If you go to Amazon account, you find a trending product. This product is trending. It's got good reviews, 401 ratings, which is good. It's got the option of gift options. This is what you are looking for. So these are the fundamental things that you look for. You look for good average ratings here. Above 100 is good, and then you look for add to gift options. This will allow you to deliver to that person. So now once you found that product, you come to eBay and you do a little search, and then you find how much it's selling for. This one is selling for $12.99, $14.99, and then $13.59, and you do your due diligence, you do your research, you see how much you can make, and then what you do it on you list it on eBay, because that's the higher price that is selling on eBay. And this is what you need to do, and I'm telling you, so easy, because all you need is your smartphone and an internet connection and an eBay account and an Amazon account, and that's all you need. I'm not going to show you how to list it because this is not the purpose of the video. Now if you want to learn how to list it, ask me and I'll show you, or message me and I'll show you how to do that. That's not a problem. Or you can go to YouTube and see there's plenty of videos out there that show you how to list your listings or your products on eBay. So the whole main fundamental thing is to find a trending product, a product that is selling well on Amazon and is at a lower price, right? And then you come to eBay, you find that same product that is selling at a higher price, and this is what you're doing. You're just a middleman, right? And if you can do this well, you can make well over £500 a month profits if you do it well. Now this example that I showed you is this percentage is more, but it's double the percentage, right? Now what you can do, you probably make about £2-3 after the expenses and all this stuff. But if you go on a higher ticket, you could probably make about £50-60 in one products. But that will depend on your research and how much is selling, and the product, if it's trending and it's in demand as well. Now I hope you understood this. If you did, thank you for watching this, and start doing it now. Take action. If you don't take action, nothing's gonna happen, people, right? Now if you have any questions, DM me, message me, or leave a comment wherever you see in this video, and I'll be happy to help you. But this is something that you can do if you want to get some money, if you want to raise some money. You're not going to be a millionaire. I don't promise you that you're going to become a millionaire, but this will give you a taster of drop shipping and becoming a middleman. Who knows, maybe you're going to be the next Jeff Bezos who owns Amazon. Maybe you are going to be that person as well, but we don't know what the future is, right? But I'm showing you a technique, a system where it works. A lot of people are doing it. You can do it. Doesn't matter what the competition is. If you do it well and if you stick to it, you can make some money. You can make some quick money as well. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.